Hello, in front of me I've got Aoslen G10. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures of your earbuds. In the beginning, take your earbuds out of the charging case. Right here we've got the right here we've got the left earbud. Now, to select next or previous track, keep pressing right earbud for 2 seconds for next track, and for previous track for 2 seconds on left earbud. To play pause, click once on either earbud. To answer or hang up the phone, click once on either earbud. To reject the call, press and hold the multifunctional button for 2 seconds on either earbud. And to activate voice assistant, press the multifunctional button on either earbud 3 times. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.